What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another quick tip video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to save money with the low income. Specifically, we're going to be discussing buying used. Guys, buying used products is a great opportunity. I think that a lot of people are missing out on. I'm going to go over a couple of them that I recommend that I think you should do that will save you a lot of money on a low income. The first recommendation that I have is buy used furniture. Furniture in general is expensive. A lot of people finance brand new furniture and so forth, but I recommend that you buy it used. You can get a hugely discounted price. In fact, you can buy used furniture from apps like OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, and even Craigslist. So the next place that I recommend, or the next thing that I recommend that you buy used is clothing. So there are a lot of different thrift stores out there. I recommend that you go to your local thrift store. Some of them that I recommend is like Goodwill or Salvation Army. I've used this hack before. It can save you lots and lots of money. In fact, those clothing they are maybe used, but they'll be new to you and no one will know. Anyways, and the last one that I recommend is buying your car used. In this hack, I think you can save a whole lot of money. Because as most of us know, when you buy a new car, that thing is marked up like crazy. And the day that you drive it off the lot, it loses its value quickly. So let somebody else lose the value of the new car and you get it at the price it's really worth it. So one of the things that I recommend when you're going out there and you get that used car is that you try to get the financing for that car ahead of time. And it's going to save you a lot of money. Because when you go and you get the financing through the dealership, what most people don't know is that the dealership is going to run your credit to get you the so-called best deal. But they're going to run your credit not one, not twice. They're probably going to run it 10, 15, 20 times to get you that really good deal. And when you walk out of there with that new to you used car, your credit is shot. So I recommend that you get the financing ahead of time. Go to like a credit union, whatever. Those are some of the best places to get the financing ahead of time. And the other thing it also helps you with is helps you not to overspend on that new to you used car. Because you'll know your budget ahead of time, so you don't have to overspend by not knowing your budget ahead of time. You get the finance ahead of time, it will save you money on that car, so you're not overspending on something that you can't afford. Or the next thing I recommend, if you can afford it, is just buy that used car cash. So anyways, another little hack that I recommend when you're buying a used car is, I think this hack is really cool. And I just learned about it a couple of years ago. A friend of mine did this. If you know somebody like a family member, a friend, or a co-worker, and they're about to sell their used car, you should approach them and say, hey, I know what the trading value of your car is. So would you mind selling your used car to me for the trade-in value? And most people are going to say yes, because the dealership is going to give them basically the same thing. So they will be helping you out. You'll be getting yourself a new used car for a hugely discounted price, because you're going to get it for the trade-in value. Because if you end up buying that car from the dealership or the used car dealer, most likely they're going to mark it up so they can get a profit out of it. So if you can buy from somebody, you can get it at that discounted price, just a trade-in value price. You will save a lot of money doing that. And the bottom line is, guys, buying used, I think, is a great way to save money. Like I said before, it is used, but it's new to you, and no one's going to know. So that's all I have for today, guys. Like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment below. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.